We're out here in Dallas, Texas, inspecting a multifamily property for one of our investors. As you know, we had a pretty severe storm a few days ago. You can just see behind me here, we got fallen down branches, trees that's fallen into the roof. There's broken windows, fence that are blown over, chimney caps that have blown off. All the other multifamily complexes just on this street have OSB board up on all the windows. There was quite a bit of what I would call moderate to heavy collateral damage. At JNT Multifamily, we specialize in collateral damage repair. I would strongly recommend, if you're a multifamily sponsor, passive investor, or owner of a property, to make sure that you're getting these properties looked at. And then my suggestion would be to get lined up with a good PA to get a competent claim and make sure that you're paid out industry standard pricing, along with municipalities and code enforcement that relates directly to your policy. As you know, we're not storm chasers. We are retail roofers and construction, so we'll still come in with that retail pricing. We're about $2 a foot on your standard steep slope asphalt shingles removal and replace, and we look forward to hearing from you.